Fabric dye is a budget-friendly way to refresh or completely change the color of clothes, accessories, and even upholstery. It's a versatile product that allows you to be creative and personalize textiles for various DIY projects. Revive faded fabrics or unleash your creativity with Rit Powder Fabric Dye. Highly versatile, it works effectively on natural fibers, synthetics, acrylics and blends. Each 1.44 ounces box dyes up to 1 pound or 3 yards of medium weight material. Apply via sink, tub dyeing, stovetop for vibrant shades, or washing machine for larger loads. Enhance color fastness with salt, get even coverage by adding dish soap. Meets ASTM labeling standards. Choose from 16 colors including classics like black, navy, brown and vibrant options like scarlet, Kelly green, lemon yellow. The powder form allows easy measuring and mixing compared to liquids. With its multi-fiber compatibility, Rit dye is perfect for refreshing clothes, home textiles or crafting custom fabric projects. Transform your leather goods with Angelus Leather Dye. This heavily pigmented, alcohol-based dye allows you to easily restore or completely change the color of belts, shoes, purses and more. Available in a wide variety of shades from classic browns and reds to vibrant purples and blues. The 3-ounce jar includes a wool dauber for effortless application. Simply brush onto the leather, no rinsing needed. While restoring leather, finding an exact color match may be tricky. Revive your favorite accessories or give them a bold new look with this versatile leather dye. Transform ordinary fabrics into vibrant masterpieces with the SEI Tie-Dye Spray. This innovative spray-on dye solution offers an effortless way to add bursts of color to your clothing and accessories without the hassle of boiling or messy immersion techniques. Available in a diverse range of eye-catching hues, the SEI Tie-Dye Spray caters to both natural and synthetic materials, making it a versatile choice for all your dyeing needs. The convenient 8-ounce bottles ensure you have ample supply to unleash your creativity. What sets this product apart is its water-based formula, which not only ensures a smooth application but also makes cleanup a breeze. Simply spray the desired pattern onto your fabric, let it air dry, and then heat set the color using an iron for long-lasting vibrancy. Unleash vibrant colors on fabrics and beyond with Rit All-Purpose Liquid Dye. This versatile formula intensely dyes natural materials like cotton, wool, and nylon. The economical 8-ounce bottle yields enough dye for 2 pounds of fabric. Rit dye works on more than just textiles. Wood, wicker, paper, and cork can also be transformed. Simply add to water for general dyeing, or use the stovetop method for nylon and richer hues. It even works in the washing machine. With 33 unique colors from coral to eggplant, Rit offers over 1,000 shade recipes online. This non-toxic, vegan dye is safe for sewers and septic. Unlock limitless coloring possibilities with easy-to-use Rit All-Purpose Liquid Dye. Embrace your creativity with the Tulip One-Step Tie-Dye Kit, perfect for group gatherings or individual projects. This portable kit contains supplies for up to 36 vibrant tie-dye creations. 18 highly concentrated, non-toxic liquid dyes in rainbow colors produce brilliant hues when activated with water. Easy squeeze bottles simplify application on natural fabrics like cotton and wool. Comprehensive instructions guide you through 8 different tying techniques. Whether hosting a birthday party, summer camp, or girls' night, this kit ensures a fun, vibrant experience. Create personalized gifts for loved ones or embark on your own artistic journey. The dyes are permanent yet safe, retaining brilliant color through countless washes.